Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So face swapping in videos lets you replace a person's face with another, perfect for UGC ads, storytelling and creative content. With OpenArt you will combine visuals with external tools for best results. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to swap faces in a video using OpenArt in 2026. So first thing first, prepare your face image. Okay, so use OpenArt to generate or upload a face. Okay, so the requirements are front facing, good lighting, high resolution. So this is the face you will insert. Okay, so prepare your target video, like choose a video where face is visible, lighting is consistent, movements are not too extreme. Okay, so simpler videos means better results. So use face swap tool, like use external tools like the ID, Hey Gene, other AI face swap tools like upload video, upload face image, apply face swap, and this replaces the face. So adjust and generate like fine-tune settings, like focus on face alignment, skin tone, matching, expression consistency. Generate multiple versions. Okay, and download swapped video, export final results which is ready for editing, refine in video editor. Okay, so use CapCut, Premiere Pro, fix color, lighting, transitions, and polish the video. Okay, so after that you can add audio and effects, like add voiceover, music, subtitles. It makes it engaging, and then export final video, formats TikTok or Reels or YouTube, and it's ready to publish. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.